Hello mentors! In a previous video we already discussed logistics on the MathCEO meetings, what to do, what not to do. So in this video we'll go deeper and we'll actually discuss what are our teaching expectations when you come to our meetings. So let's pretend I'm a mentor. So there are exactly 6 things that we are expecting. First, the most important, of course, commit to the program. Okay? You have to believe that what you're doing will help the kids. Second, be a role model. There's plenty of research that shows that when these kids have role models, they actually learn more, they commit to their learning, and finally they fulfill the goal of our program, which is that they enter to college. Third, prepare for teaching. You'll have plenty of opportunities for teaching training. You just have to prepare. Fourth, collaborate with other mentors. Whether it's within the meetings, you may be working with other mentors, or outside the meetings, you can discuss the math, the teaching. Be social, don't do it alone. It's better to do it with your peers. 5, collect assessment. And this is a very important point. During the meeting, you want to assess how the kids are learning. You want to adjust your style of teaching. You want to not only assess by written forms, but also asking questions, changing the formats. So we'll talk about that. And finally, okay, this is my maybe least favorite, complete meeting reports. So we gather a lot of data, and we're very serious about this. So it's very important to know exactly what happened during your meeting, what went well and what not. So please complete them. Okay, so let's go one by one, and let's explore these things in a little more detail. First, commit to the program. So seek to attend all meetings. That's very important because you'll be working with the same kids. So if you don't go to a meeting, your kids will miss you. They'll have to work with another mentor, and they may not be used to that. Second, be on time. It's very important because if you arrive late, maybe the kids are already doing something, and it's hard to get into the groove if you're late. And finally, please respond promptly to all our emails. Okay, being a role model means share your experiences with kids, be authentic. You can talk about math, but you can also talk about what went well in your day, or what are you doing in school, etc. Also be friendly and respectful. This is very important because you're modeling behavior. And finally, encourage kids to succeed. Not just tell them that you want them to succeed, but show it. How do you show that? Well, high expectations, I believe in you. All those things are important. So prepare for teaching. That means pretty much 2 things. Read the booklets before the meeting. So the booklets will have all the activities, and you have to read them before because you have to anticipate what will go well and what will not go so well. And attend the training sessions. Number 4, collaborate with other mentors. There's plenty of mentors in these meetings, and within the meeting, you'll be working in the same table with another mentor. So what you need to do is to coordinate the teaching so that you guys too become just one learning force. So you have to practice co-teaching. This takes practice, and you'll do just better and better as the meetings go along. Collect assessment means, well, there's some math assessment at the end of each activities in which the kids should write on their own some solutions to problems. And also at the end of the meeting, there's a student survey which you should collect. And the kids will rate the meeting, how it went in different aspects. Finally, complete the meeting reports. So use a rubric to assess each student. And write a short reflection on how the meeting went, the good, the bad, the interesting. Okay, so those are your responsibilities, our expectations for you as a mentor. So I hope you like this video.